Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play Counter-Strike Global Offensive CSGO multiplayer on LAN. So guys, in order for you to do this, is first one is create a room. So in order for you to create a host or a room, just go ahead and go to play, and then from there go to the official matchmaking and change it to practice with bots. And then from there, guys, just select a certain map that you like to play with, and from there, guys, make sure to turn off the bots. Just go to the right side of the screen and you will see there the bots options, and make sure to click on no bots. And from there, guys, for the second step is for your friend to join. Just go ahead and go to play again, and instead of going to the practice with bot, he or she should go to the community server browser. So from there, guys, he or she will go to the LAN, and he or she should be able to see the room or server that you just created. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.